Hello everyone, my name is Dheeraj Verma and I am going to show you my project of web development. I have made a website using HTML, CSS and JavaScript, and here is the code. So what type of website it is? It is a music website. Here you can find every music and I am still working on this website. So here only one song is uploaded. When it is complete, you can get every song on this website. So for now, here is it. Here it is. This website is having a great color composition and texture. If you click on this button, it plays music. Okay. Now, what about this text? This is the simple monotone text and I want to add some animation in it so that it become more attractive. And this is the home, this is for about section, this is for specification and so on. If I click on the home tab, it returns me to the home page, which is itself. And if I click on the about, it send me to the another page on which my details and what from where I have taken the resources, all about all about this is in the about section, and what are the specifications of this project is all in this specification section. And these are the products, other products from uh, my other projects and my other websites which I made and may be useful for you, that are available in product section. And in the connect section, you can contact us, reach to us and stay connected with us. So all these details are in the connect section. So comment down below about my music industry logo, about its text, about this icon and this little icon at the top, this one. So that's all for today. Thank you everyone.